Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the Muji Moma mechanical pencil. And, well, if you've ever ordered pens or pencils from Amazon, you can tell that sometimes they come like this in a little baggie. And this one is, let's take a look. So this is a 0.5 millimeter mechanical pencil with a weird little sticker on it. So as you can see from the label, it's a Japanese pencil. And no eraser, apparently. I don't mind no eraser. Alright, so let's take a look. So, you know what's kind of funny? It smells like It smells like a pencil. Okay, maybe that's just me. So this is the Muji Moma mechanical pencil. It's not bad. It's kind of a cool little pencil. I don't think it's not amazing, but it's a neat little pencil, and it's pretty cheap. I think it's like $5, something like that. I'll include a link in the description if you want to get one on Amazon. Please note that the tip is sharp. Okay. Actually, this tip isn't that bad. I don't know. Y'all have probably also run into the mechanical pencils where the tip is like so pointy that it's just like almost needle-like and you just know you're going to stab yourself with it. This one isn't too bad. I mean, I don't feel, quite as traumatized by it. It's kind of a cool little pencil. I've taken a liking more lately to the mechanical pencils that have the wooden barrel. Or wooden body, I guess. Barrel, body. You know what I'm talking about. This part right here, this wooden part. And I mean, it looks kind of classy. I don't know. What do y'all think? How do you feel about the mechanical pencils that have the wooden barrels? Or wooden bodies? Is it a body or a barrel? Let me know in the comments. It might be both. Anyway, if you've run across any pencils or pens or any cool gadget type things, especially multi-pens, let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for new cool ones. And if you have any questions, you can also let me know, ask them in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.